What's up, guys? We're getting discouraged here. It's been a couple annoying games in a row with absolute horrible coward teammates. I don't get why everyone plays such a conservative, let me save my ship mode, I'm just not gonna even fight, I'm just gonna run around the perimeter the whole time. Like, let's get out here and fight, guys, we're here to brawl. It'd be sick if everyone could just go in and have some good combat, but no, everyone plays like a pussy in this game, straight up. Especially my teammates. I miss my Aoba. Where's this guy at?
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Can I really not get it over?
Enemy battleship detected.
Okay.
Enemy detected.
Okay. A late miss.
Enemy battleship sighted. Enemy cruiser sighted.
Bro.
Enemy submarine spotted. That was a great battle.
Oh my gosh. You're having a laugh. You are having an absolute laugh. Whoops, guess I shouldn't have been editing there. Oh, I'm just out in the open in front of everybody. Nice.
The ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
I'm just getting drilled right now. Oh, there's my rudder.
The ship is on fire.
Honestly, that completely fits. I'm working on a video about the Bismarck. We might as well lose our rudder. It's gonna make me harder to hit. Although I'm about to be
Enemy destroyer sighted.
just burning left. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna end well. I hate to say it. I hate to say it, but things are really not looking well.
Target penetrated.
Oh my gosh. I'm done. Please, please. Can I have a team that doesn't suck one time? And I know I'm not playing the best, so I'll take full responsibility for that, but not to make an excuse, but I will make an excuse. It's because I have a 15-minute video length, which if you play a legitimate battleship game, you're going to go over 15 minutes in length if you're playing like a good strategy game, so I have to get out there and brawl. But unfortunately, I play with a bunch of cowards who don't subscribe to that theory, And speaking of subscribe, please subscribe so that I can make longer length videos, also live stream, and then maybe I won't have to play like an idiot every time. That'd be awesome. Thanks for watching, love you.